English Fluency Masterclass, complete course. Think, speak, and sound fluent in English. Part 1. Full 60-minute script. Slow, clear, confident. Beginner to intermediate friendly. Intro. What is fluency? Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Fluency Masterclass. Fluency does not mean perfect grammar, big vocabulary. Fluency means speaking without fear, thinking naturally in English, expressing ideas clearly. In the next 60 minutes, you will learn how to think, speak, and feel English. Let's begin. Part 1. Think in English. The biggest fluency killer is translation. Not Bengali to English, but English to English. Practice. Look around and name objects in English. Describe actions in your mind. Example. I am opening the door. I am drinking water. Daily thinking equals daily fluency. Part 2. Speak slow, not fast. Fluent speakers speak clearly, not quickly. Practice. Short sentences. Clear pronunciation. Example. I work in an office. I handle customer support. Slow speech equals confident speech. Part 3. Daily speaking habits. Daily fluency routine. Speak 5 minutes alone. Read aloud 10 minutes. Repeat native sentences. Record your voice. Example practice. Today I feel confident. I am improving my English every day. Consistency beats talent. Part 4. Most used fluent patterns. Fluent sentence patterns. I want to. I need to. I'm trying to. I'm used to. Examples. I'm trying to improve my English. I'm used to speaking English at work. Patterns create fluency faster. Part 5. Think fast. Speak simple. Don't search for difficult words. Simple greater than perfect. Instead of, I was extremely exhausted, say, I was very tired. Fluency loves simplicity. Part 6. Remove fear and hesitation. Fear comes from overthinking. Fear of mistakes. Truth. Mistakes equal progress. Say this daily. I am allowed to make mistakes. I am learning English confidently. Confidence creates fluency. Part 7. Final fluency mindset. Remember, think in English. Speak daily. Speak slow. Speak simple. English fluency is a skill, not talent. Practice today. Fluency will follow. Thank you for watching. This is your English fluency journey.